Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. These penguins discovered a camera and they weren't sure what to do with it. It's pretty cool to watch artillery fire in slow motion. This is called the ranger roll, and it's super useful when someone is unconscious or just too drunk to get up, so you gotta carry them home.
Get him up! Yeah!
Here's the proper way to trim your shrimp garden. Nintendo just announced that Super Smash Bros. Is coming to the Nintendo Switch, and everyone freaked out. Here's a golfer that doesn't have any hands. Here's a really cool table, but it seems really easy to pinch your fingers. That's the end of this video. Hopefully you have a wonderful day and a wonderful life, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.